In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Steam gift card with Google Play. If you want Steam credit but prefer paying through Google's ecosystem, here's the straightforward approach. We'll use reputable third-party retailers that accept Google Pay for digital Steam gift cards. Examples include RPay, Baxity Store, and Start Select. These stores deliver a code by email, and you'll redeem it in your Steam wallet for instant funds to spend on games, DLC, or in-game items. Start by heading to one of those retailers and opening the Steam gift card page. Take a moment to choose the correct variant before adding anything to your cart. Match the card's country and currency to the region of your Steam account and pick the denomination that fits your budget. This is important because regional mismatches can block redemption or convert at a less favorable rate. If the site lists multiple currencies or regions, select the one that exactly corresponds to your Steam wallet. Next, click Buy Now and proceed to checkout. Review your order details and make sure your contact email is accurate, since your code will be delivered digitally. You won't need a shipping address because nothing physical is mailed. You are purchasing an instant code. Some retailers may display taxes or a small processing fee at this stage. So confirm the final total before paying. On the payment screen, choose Google Pay as your method. This uses your Google Pay wallet, which is different from a Google Play balance. Retailers that support Google Pay can charge the cards or bank accounts linked to your Google Pay profile. But they typically cannot draw from Play Store credit. Confirm the amount, approve the charge on your device, and complete any security prompts like a passcode or biometric verification. After payment, you'll see a confirmation page, and within moments the retailer will send your Steam gift card code to your inbox. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your email and check spam or promotions. The message will include the code itself or a secure link to reveal it. Keep that email for your records. Now, go back to Steam and add the card to your wallet. Open Steam on desktop or the web, go to the store or your account details and find Redeem a Steam gift card or add funds. Paste the code exactly as shown, confirm, and your Steam wallet balance should update instantly in the matching currency. If it doesn't, recheck the code characters and ensure the region and currency align. That's it. Thanks for watching.